Hey everybody, Travis of Blue Nail Roofing out here doing a roof replacement on this beautiful 100 square Frisco home. Now today we're going to be putting them in the awesome F-Wave shingle. Little story on this house. They actually bought this home about 2 years ago, and part of the purchase of this home, the seller had to put a new roof on it. Well, they did put a new roof on it, and they put on an impact resistant shingle, a class 4 shingle. I'm not afraid to give credit where credit's due. This roofer actually did a good job, whoever put this on before us. But at the end of the day, an impact resistant shingle is exactly that. It is resistant, not proof. That's why this homeowner is tired of dealing with these kind of messes, and they are moving up to an F-Wave. So if you live up here in North Texas, you know that we get hail all the time. And we get no shortage of customers that still make that step up to class 4, but they still get obliterated by hail. That's not going to happen with F-Wave. Now, of course, F-Wave can't say that their shingle is hail-proof, but you know, for lack of a better term, I'm not saying this in a legal capacity, but come on, it's hail-proof. I've been out there to the factory. I've seen their demonstrations in the lot. I mean, they fire a 2-inch ice ball at like over 100 miles an hour at point blank range. It doesn't even put a dent in this stuff. This stuff is truly incredible, and it also looks amazing. I mean, look at that. They went with the heather blend color. It's beautiful on this home. It'd be beautiful on your home. I'm not getting paid by F-Wave to say this or anything. I can't recommend it enough. Now, I'll put you in 3-tab all day long if that's you know, what you want, but you know, I'm just going to be replacing it again next year because it's just not as strong. F-Wave is the only shingle out there actually that offers a 5-year hail warranty. Now you may be thinking, wait a minute, no, the shingles I got, they have a lifetime warranty, they have a 50-year warranty. No. They have a manufacturer defect warranty that's 50 years or lifetime or whatever. They do not have a hail warranty. F-Wave is the only shingle on the market that offers a hail warranty for 5 years. If any hail, 2 inches or less, is able to destroy your F-Wave shingle, they're going to put a brand new roof on your house, no questions asked. And I got to speak with the CEO, asked him point blank, are you serious about this? You really just, if there is any damage, 2-inch hail or less, that destroys or damages in any way your F-Wave roof, boom, you got a new roof. This is the best product out there. Like I said, we love our repeat customers. If you really just want 3-tab and you want us coming out and replacing your roof every couple years, sure, we'll take it. But professional advice, best thing you can put on your home as a homeowner is an F-Wave shingle, and it looks incredible. So another homeowner tip, follow us in the next video. Check out bluenail.com today to come get a free inspection, have us come check out your house, or if you're just ready to get a new roof, give us a call and we're happy to come on out.